Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box, which is my monthly subscription from them. And I guess this is my December box. They always give you like a little piece of paper on the inside that has some kind of activity. So this one has some gift tags. Ooh, and the box smells really good. I can smell it already. And then just talks about wax cups, which is like the little samplers they put in there. So take a look at what I got this month. Ooh, I'm excited for this. So they did come out with some cleaning products a while ago, but when I was a consultant, they didn't have them. They only had the laundry detergent. This is Counter Clean. Go Go Mango is the scent. And I haven't even read much about it, so I don't know if it's, yeah, it has different like alcohols and stuff in it. I didn't know if it was like a more natural cleaner. Like I said, I haven't read up on it, but excited to try that. You could always use that kind of stuff. Also have Freshen Up Pup Dog Deodorizing Spray. This is honey and chamomile. And I've gotten samples of the dog products before, which I think is awesome that they have that, but I don't have a dog. So, and my mom doesn't have one anymore, it passed away. So I'm gonna have to, ooh, actually I know who I could give this to. I'm gonna give this to one of my friends. She has a really huge dog and she might want that for her. So that's cool. I wish you could like say if you do or don't have a pet, that way, you know, they wouldn't send you stuff like that and maybe opt for a different product. I don't know if that's an option. But you do get a couple sample packets of stuff. So this is Amazon Rain Washer Whiffs, which I love. I like putting them in with my towels so that they smell really good. Sometimes I put it in with my clothes that I'm wearing, but I have sensitive skin. I can handle it on the towels, but I can't necessarily like wear it on something I'm gonna have all day, if that makes sense. It's kind of silly. You think if I was allergic, it would like, wouldn't be okay on either, but it just depends. My skin's really stupid. Okay, so this is the scent of the month, Pretty in Plaid, and this one is called Holly Berry Cinnamon. So let's take a whiff of that. Very much smells like cinnamon. It almost kind of smells like apples and cinnamon, ooh, air freshener, like little spray. Smells pretty good. Let's see what Pretty in Plaid smells like. That one is also green on the inside. That one smells like oranges. So nice. So I kind of have like a Christmas scent and then one that's like not Christmassy. So that's cool. And then the sample is Inhale, Exhale, and that's blue. Oh, that smells delicious. It's very sweet, kind of like a honeysuckle. That smells really good. And then Shimmer Fragrance Mist. I know that was a popular scent back in the day when I sold it. So this is just like a body spray. So that's cool. I would actually be happy if they just sent like different samples and like these things. Because sometimes I don't like using the whole bar. I just like switching it up randomly. So I like these a lot. But that is what I got in my December box. If you want to order anything from Scentsy or want to sign up for a box, I will put the website below for the girl that I buy through in case you need a consultant. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.